Hey people, welcome to my new video. If you have problem with your Samsung Galaxy A40 that is not charging after drop or for no reason, then this video is right for you. If the video did help you, you can leave a donation to support my channel. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more coming videos. So after you drop your Samsung Galaxy A40 or A50 or A70, it won't charge. So you tried already to replace the charger, the USB cable, but it didn't help. Okay, then this video will help you. At first we have to open the phone. We heat it up on the back side with around 190 degrees, and then we use a suction cup to make a gap between the plastic and the frame. Once we have a gap, you can help yourself with a fingernail or with a pry tool or with the plastic. Then you need, you see, as I took this small card and you put it in the gap. So try to put it under the adhesive tape and under the plastic. Once you came successfully under, then you just can go around and cut the adhesive tape. Okay, sorry, my English is not the best. So this plastic, the back cover is made of plastic, so don't worry, you won't break it. You can just gently lift it up to separate it from the frame. If it don't go quickly, then help yourself with a heat gun, but just a little bit and not too hot, maybe 150 degrees or something, and from a safe distance, of course. Okay, so our phone is now opened. Now what we'll have to do, I will clean here a little bit the adhesive tape, because I will need it later to stick back again the back cover. So just make it even, have a look if there is some damage or something, you can cut it or you can put it back to be even and nice again. Basically try to make the adhesive tape look like new again. Okay, once you're done with the adhesive tape, then we go to unscrew all screws here. And let's go! Now we have to remove the fingerprint reader. First remove the plastic, which is holding the connector. Carefully, don't crack the flex cable. Okay, now we disconnect it and we remove the fingerprint reader here. So now please eject the SIM card and the memory card tray here. And now we separate the middle frame from the screen frame. So just gently go with a plastic tool inside, make a gap, and then just go around to remove this blue color, in my case blue color frame. Okay, carefully, don't break any cables or something. Once you go around, then just remove it. But as I said, carefully and be sure that you removed all screws. So now we're going to disconnect the battery here. Okay, disconnect it, nice. And now we're going to remove this main cable. This main cable is the reason that your phone is not charging. So remove it. You see the lower mainboard is connected to the upper mainboard with this flex cable. And there is the problem. In most cases, it's not 100%, but in 90% this is the case. So what you have to do, take a fiber pen and clean all the connections here. The whole connector on the flex cable. But carefully, don't push too hard, otherwise you can damage the connector. Just gently clean all the contacts. Clean the lower contact and the upper contact. Okay, now we're going to clean as well the connector here on the motherboard. Just gently, not too hard, not too fast, just go slowly and clean all the contacts inside with a fiber pan here. If you don't have these tools, then you can just check the links below in my video description. There will you find links where you can buy them. Okay, so once this is clean, then I'm using here alcohol and a toothbrush and clean again, because sometimes there is also a little bit oily or whatever, some uncleanliness, you know what I mean. Okay, then again I'm cleaning the lower connector also with alcohol, and I will do the same with the upper connector. I'm also cleaning here the connection to the battery, just in case, and also the battery connector here. Just be sure there is no this black foam inside some contacts or somewhere there, because otherwise it won't be working. So clean again, use alcohol a little bit. Okay, I'm using here a toothbrush, and then again I'm using here a small brush. You can use all brushes what you want, just make it clean. This is the most important thing. There again, just make it nice. Now I'm using the heat gun again, but just maybe 50 degrees, just in very low temperature, just to dry this alcohol out, to make it dry. Repeat it maybe for 1 minute or 2 minutes, just in case there are some drops or some liquid of this alcohol somewhere. But yeah, it's drying very fast, so no worries. Also don't forget the cable. Okay, once done, now we're coming to some precise work. So just be here. Here you have to be very, very careful. Here you can help yourself with some tweezers. EFD13 should be the model. It should be wide, not the small tweezers one. So the wider one, okay? And then you have to put together the connector. I mean, you have to tweeze a little bit these connections together, because they are loose a little bit, like I'm doing here. So you go from the left to the right and then from the right to the left. But do this very carefully, don't damage this connector, otherwise you will have to replace it, and this is very bad work. This we are going here, so just carefully, don't break it, go slowly. I have a little bit more experience, so I'm working faster. You should go very slow. And do the same with the upper connector and then also with the lower connector. Take your time and work slowly. As I said, I have a little bit more experience. So do the same here with the lower connector. Go from the left to the right and from the right to the left. I will speed up here this video a little bit. So this video is speed up now, so don't think that I am working that fast. Don't break the connector. I'm saying again. Okay, so now you see here this flex cable. We put it back in the connection. Make sure you press it really good inside. Okay. So the flex cable is attached again to the motherboard, and we connect also the battery, and then we will go to test it if it's working. So we will connect it to the USB cable and see if it's charging. Okay, something is already happening. It shows 8%. I'm speeding up this video again, so 9%, and again already 10%, so it's working. Okay, great. Just don't worry that you saw 12% already, because it's speed up, so it's not charging that fast. So now I will add this phone back here around the contact. Okay, connect back again. Be sure it's well connected. So what I'm going to do now is I will cut a little bit of this tape. This is a 200-degree tape, which won't burn that easily. But anyways, it can be also a normal tape, but just don't put too much on it. This is very thin, so I will probably put 2 layers. And this is because after the blue frame, when I put it back, it will hold this connector better to the motherboard. So it will press it down, the flex cable to the motherboard, just in case you drop it again. So I'm going to do the same on the lower motherboard, on the lower connection. So do this as well. Now let's reassemble. We put back the middle frame. Just click it everywhere in the corners. Left, right, up, down, okay. And put back all screws here. So connect back the fingerprint reader. First the flex cable. Okay, put it in place. Then use this small plastic, put it back in place also. I'm going to connect it again back and try if it's still working. Let's have a look. Okay, we see already the thunder icon. Okay, yeah, so everything is working. So we can stick the back cover again. Stick it back in the place. So I'm heating up here a little bit adhesive tape, also on the back plate, on the back cover, just for better holding. You know, this phone is not waterproof, so I'm not replacing the sticker. We have removed it nicely, so it is still intact, and you can still reuse it. Don't worry. So gently press it around all the corners. In every corner, press it together for better holding, and you should be good to go. Okay, don't forget the SIM card tray and the memory card tray. Put it back in the phone, and that's basically it. You can charge it now to 100% and you are done. That's it, good job. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below the video. I will try to answer them, or the community will. If you are also happy and you want to leave a donation, there is a link in my about page and my video description. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Your CrocFIX.